This is the final in a series of videos explaining how to use Google Docs and Google Forms for leader recs and resumes with Young Life's Colorado camps. I'm going to go ahead and sign into our camp's Google account. I'm going to click Documents at the top. This video, I'm going to basically explain the fundamental difference between leader resumes and leader recommendations when it comes to creating physical forms. I'm going to go ahead and open up the leader resume. Again, you're going to see the spreadsheet format. As you can see on the spreadsheet, some of these fields are blank and some of them have been filled in. The big reason for that is because, let's see, when someone goes to fill out a form, they're going to have an option to select one of these. I was a leader at Crooked Creek in the summer of 2011, I was a leader at Frontier in the summer of 2011, and I was not a leader at Crooked Creek or Frontier during the summer of 2011. Based on their answer that they select here, they're going to take you to a different page. If they were a leader at Crooked Creek in the summer of 2011 and they click Continue, they're going to go to the letter of affirmation of background check, perjury statement, and child abuse reporting. This is because in the summer of 2011, Crooked Creek did not have that information included on their leader resume, and we want to have it for future reference so that when a leader comes back to our camp, they won't have to fill it out every year. Go ahead and go back. If they select that they were a leader at Frontier in the summer of 2011 and they continue, they're going to go to the very end of the form because they have already filled out the form in 2011 and they do not need to now. They're going to go ahead and select these just to make sure that all of their information is accurate and they understand that if we don't have any of their information, they're going to be contacted and they'll submit it. And if they were not a leader at Crooked Creek or Frontier during the summer of 2011, they're advised to write NA there. They continue. They're going to go straight to the leader resume, and they're going to have to fill out the form entirely. And that determines how much of this information is on our spreadsheet. We're going to do the same thing that we did before with the leader recommendations. We're going to download this as an Excel spreadsheet. Open it. It'll look exactly like our Google Docs. Go ahead and save it in the server in leader resumes and recs, spreadsheets, in our camp. I'm going to go ahead and click leader resume so that this data overrides previous data. And you can do this again one of two ways. You can sort and filter here, custom sort by, select which option below applies to you. And we're going to do that. And you'll see those who did not have to fill out the data will be separated from those who did. And you could go ahead and delete that or not. And actually, we're going to want to further sort it by name of Colorado camp you will be attending. Actually, we're going to custom sort name of Colorado camp you will be attending, add a level, select which option below applies to you. So you can see those who are attending each individual camp will be sorted here. And those who didn't have to fill out that data will be down here. And that means that they were a leader at those camps, and they wouldn't need to fill out the data anyway. I'm going to go ahead and X out of here. I'm going to go ahead and go into server, into Leader Resumes and Recs, into Spreadsheets, into our camp. We're going to click the Word document Leader Resume Merge. It's going to open. I'm going to click Mailings. We can either use the Mail Merge Wizard like we did before, or this time I'm going to go ahead and do it manually. I'm going to use an existing list for select recipients. I'm going to select the spreadsheet that we just opened, Leader Resumes and Recs, Spreadsheets, Creek. I'm going to select the spreadsheet, Leader Resume. OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit Recipient List. This is the second place you can go ahead and weed out which applicants need to have forms and which do not. Again, we basically have the whole spreadsheet here. So we can go ahead and sort these by select which option below applies to you. So all of these people here will be down here, and then you can go ahead and select by sort by name of Colorado camp you will be attending. And then you can go ahead and deselect, since I'm only doing it for Crooked Creek Ranch. Go ahead and deselect all of these.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. Go ahead and preview results, and you can see the results from this recipient. And these are the only two recipients we selected. If we hadn't deselected them, we would have seen a blank form with all of this data. And really, we just don't want to print all of those blank forms. And this makes it easier for us to know which forms we need. So we're going to go ahead and save this as, we're going to save it as a PDF in the server in Leader Resumes and Recs, right in there. And again, we're going to save it by the last name, first initial, and area number .pdf. That concludes this video on how to use Google Docs and Google Forms for Leader Recs and Resumes, specifically the difference between Leader Resumes and Leader Recommendations. If you have any questions, you can view the cheat sheet in the Leader Recommendation and Resume folder, in the folder called Procedures. There are a couple cheat sheets showing you how to navigate this system. Thanks for watching.